Hello everyone! Welcome to Math4 class. I am Mrs. Debbie Capinpin of Apelo Cruz Elementary School, and for today, I will be your teacher as we solve split and non-begin problems in real-life situation involving perimeter of squares and rectangles for Quarter 3, Week 7, Day 2. Isabel has one square cartolina whose sides is 60 centimeters. She cuts it into two equal rectangles. Find the perimeter of one piece of rectangle. In answering word problems like this, we have to first understand the problem given to us. And we can do this by answering these guides questions. What is asked and what are the given facts? What is asked in the problem? Very good. We were asked to solve or find the perimeter of one piece of rectangle. What are the given facts? The given facts are a square cartolina whose sides is 60 centimeters. It was cut into two equal rectangles. Let us now plan the steps we need to perform in order to solve for the problem. We were given a square cartolina whose sides is 60 centimeters. It was cut into two equal rectangles, and we were asked to find the perimeter of one piece of rectangle. Remember, 60 centimeters is the measurement for the square cartolina, and the square cartolina was cut into two equal parts, or two equal rectangles. So we have to identify first the measurement of this rectangle in order to solve for its perimeter. Let us figure out together the measurement of the rectangular sheet. Going back to the problem, it states that Isabel has a square cartolina which measures 60 centimeters by 60 centimeters. It was cut into half, forming two rectangles. Since the square was cut into half, we will divide the sides by 2. So it means the side of the rectangle is 30 centimeters. Can you now identify the measurement of the rectangle? The measurement of one rectangle formed is 60 centimeters, 30 centimeters, 60 centimeters, and 30 centimeters. Let us now solve for the perimeter of the rectangle by using the formula perimeter equals length plus width times 2. We have perimeter equals 60 centimeters plus 30 centimeters times 2. 60 plus 30 centimeters will give us a sum of 90 centimeters. 90 centimeters times 2 is 180 centimeters. The perimeter of one piece of rectangle is 180 centimeters. Let us explore more on answering word problems that involves perimeter of a square and rectangles. One side of a square working table is 70 centimeters. If 3 tables were placed end to end, what is the perimeter of the new table formed? Let's have a clearer view. By looking at the top, we can see that one square working table measures 70 centimeters. And two more square tables were placed end to end. We were asked to find the perimeter of this new table formed. Based on the illustration, placing 3 square tables from end to end will form a rectangular shape. Can you now figure the new measurement of the rectangular table formed? Let us figure out together. Our width is 70 centimeters. But since we placed 3 tables end to end, we now have 70, 70, and 70. So we have to multiply 70 centimeters by 3. 70 centimeters times 3 is equal to 210 centimeters. So for our length, we now have 210 centimeters. The new measurement of our rectangular table formed is 70 centimeters by 210 centimeters. We can now solve for its perimeter. Let us now solve for the perimeter of the rectangular table formed. We will use the formula perimeter equals length plus width times 2. So we have 210 plus 70 will give us a sum of 280 centimeters. And 280 centimeters times 2 will give us a product of 560 centimeters. The perimeter of the new table formed is 560 centimeters. Keep in mind that when we are solving routine multi-step word problem, we need to understand the situation, plan our action, solve by performing our plan, and don't forget to check and look back if our answer makes sense. Non-routine problems typically do not have an immediately apparent strategy for solving them. Oftentimes, these problems can be solved in multiple ways. Possible strategy includes act it out or use materials. You have to visualize the situation or problem. Draw a picture or diagram. Look for the pattern. Check and look back if your answer makes sense. You may also use logical reasoning and make an organized list. We are through with our discussion for today. You may now answer the exercises on your module, but if you feel that you still need to explore, you may watch this video lesson again or ask a family member to study with you the explanation presented in your module. Good luck and